Alright, so we're going out on the boat. We still have power connected right now, so I'm gonna disconnect shore power. Engines are currently running. So breaker's disconnected. Now I can remove my shore power cord. Do you like the boat?
Yeah.
Robbie, do you like the boat?
Yeah.
So here we are, heading on the Intercoastal. Idle speed just under 5 knots or 5 knots. So over here I'm looking at my lithium battery bank voltage, and then here I have starboard side engine battery voltage, and then over here I have port side engine battery voltage. So I'm able to view all 3 banks in the boat at the same time. Okay, so we're out here, Hillsborough Inlet. The kids are having their super healthy
chips. Boat chips.
Boat chips. You like boat chips?
Yeah.
Boat chips are the best. Boat coffee's the best.
So right now we have AC going, stereo going. AC's drawing 6.6 amps. So now it's showing 6.9. I have a total consumption of 91.4. So if I keep running as I am right now, batteries are still at 98.6%. I have 7 hours of runtime with this current load. AC in the boat 76. It's set right now to 74. Obviously we care about energy, and we've closed our door to really preserve that air conditioning inside.
All right, and taken, and taken.
So now 12.8 volts. We're running with the AC. I have the Flybridge AC going, so I have some AC up here. Open this side too. Have the AC running at full speed to get plenty of air out of those 2 vents. And we're just hanging out in Hillsborough Inlet. The only sound is the stereo. So I have my AC discharge pumping out over on my port side. And then I have my AC right over here. Let's lower the music. So, drawing 2.9 amps, 30 amps through the inverter. I have 10.9 hours remaining. I'm drawing 42 amps. So 42 amps is the stereo, the air conditioner, fridge, lighting, toilet, head, all that fun stuff. And 2 amplifiers, 1 and 2. So I have 1 amplifier here for the 6 speakers I've connected right now, and then 1 over there for the amplifier. Temperature 71, set point 70. I see mommy's butt.
You don't.
Eva, do you like Papa's cabin?
Hey.
Eva. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Do you like the boat? Are you having fun? Is it nice and cold? Is the AC working? Hey, Robbie. Do you like the boat?
Yeah.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah. Check some water.
Isn't the boat the best?
Yeah.
The boat's the best.
All right, so we're gonna pull up the anchor. So I've got my RC remote from Quick. All right, bump forward. More. All right, back off again. All right, back off. You're off. You're neutral. Okay. Reverse.
Love back.
Are you having fun? All right, we're gonna turn around. You want to turn around? All right, you ready? Here we go. We're gonna turn around. Whoa! Is it too fast?
Have fun? Have fun?
You have fun?
Yeah.
Thumbs up for fun. Thumbs up?
Thumbs up?
That's hands up. You know, driving a Bertram, so easy a woman could do it.
Wait a minute, that was sexist. Oh, looks like they're just checking the lines to make sure there's.
Eve, are the lines tight? So, I'm at 72 in the cabin. I'm drawing 90 amps. I'm drawing 6.6 amps, 6.9 amps with the air conditioner and the outlets on. So according to the inverter, 79 amps. This is on the Magnum. I am planning on replacing this Magnum with a Victron. So I have a Victron Multi+ 2 on the way. So once I swap that out, we'll get a better idea of what the difference is between the two of them. But here we are right now. If we look at the time that I have left remaining, so I'm still showing 5.2 hours remaining. Batteries at 73%. So I've gone out for the day. Closed today a little bit early at 4 o'clock, but still plenty of juice. I could have done a full day with no problem. Still have plenty of time remaining. I haven't been managing anything. I mean, you saw earlier, door was open. Once again, same situation. Back door is open. On the time being, I have no film on any of the windows, so all I have is this white cover on the front windows, on the windshields, but all these windows are tint-free. Eve, are you making a mess?
No.
Are you making a mess?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you blow a kiss?
Kiss. Daddy, I'm so cold.
You're so cold?
Yeah.
Is the boat too cold?